So I know that we have seen this online, and some of us have given our pens on it, but we still want to hear your opinions. Maybe you have digested it more and you now have like a better view of the entire stuff. I'm talking about Davido's crash out and the apology. Because why is 001 crashing out like that? Do you think his crash out was valid, the way he vented online, saying men mount and all that? Or do you think there was a better way of handling the situation? For some of us that are not up to speed with this, Davido had a back and forth with the Commissioner of Police of Ocean State, where his uncle is the governor. So he had a series of rants online saying men mount, you deal with him, normal Davido's rants. And I feel like maybe some people called him to order because yesterday he apologized, he retracted his statement and all that, which some people feel like he chickened out, because why is he apologizing? I mean, he's 001 for a reason. So do you think he should have apologized? Do you think there was a better way of handling this situation than ranting online? Or do you think social media is the ultimate place to bring your issues? Because I mean, social media is now a new court. So when you bring your issue, there's someone or some people that are standing as judges. So please share your thoughts, click comment and subscribe. And this is Augustina from the News Chronicle.